Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning into the video today. I really do appreciate that. Before we jump into the strange happenings that you're going to see in the video today, I want to encourage you to hit subscribe. Just right down there, take a minute to hit subscribe. That's really going to help those YouTube algorithms share our videos with other people. Hit like also, and comment down below at the end of the video and let me know if you know the reason why this buck has, well, just watch the video and tell me what you think.
Alright, so I'm getting ready to skin out this buck that I shot this morning. And we were joking around this morning about how he was kind of, his male parts was kind of small. So I turned him around and I look, and he got both parts. He got tits on there too, so I'm going to show you this. So I don't know what you call it, a doe, a buck, bow? I don't know. Kind of weird.